I ended up falling off the ride.
Oh shit, yeah. Oh shit.
Alright, y'all, we just ordered. I just got some chicken tenders and fries. We waited for those to come out over here at the end. And we got our cups too. Alright, y'all, this is the chicken tenders. We gotta see how it tastes. It's hot, fresh, so that's good. These chicken tenders and fries were about as good as Waterpark frozen food can get, so I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Okay, y'all, we about to get on this right now. Big Bear Plunge. Alright, y'all, we just got off the Big Bear ride. It was a pretty simple little ride. Ride for, you know, kids. But I need adrenaline rush. That one wasn't the adrenaline rush that I needed. So we're gonna go ahead and go on another ride, and I'm gonna let y'all know which one we about to go on. So stay tuned. Oh yeah, we about to go on Mountain Stream.
We're going on the other two rides. Alright guys, stay tuned.
Alright, and then all the way back.
Oh. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh shoot.
Oh shit, yeah. Oh shit.
Swift water run. Alright, y'all, we gotta go all the way to the top. We're bringing the tubes to the top. Stay tuned. We just got off this orange ride that's coming up. I'm about to show y'all. This one right here. Yo, this one is intense. When I tell you my back was hurting, yo, it's nothing to play with. But we about to get on this other ride, and we gonna see how good it is. I'm gonna let y'all know. We got a toilet bowl too, so we gonna see how it goes. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we about to get on this next ride, Mountain Twist. Y'all, it was a pretty short ride, last one, but I ended up falling off the ride. So this ride, let's hope I don't fall off the but I'm not gonna lie, we got this mat, so we should be good. We're gonna see how it be when we get on it. So stay tuned. It wasn't the best 10 out of 10, but it was an alright ride. You know, I'm not gonna lie, at the end I ended up falling out again. But it was all the way at the end, so it wasn't as bad as the other one. Alright, y'all, we now getting on this ride called Wild River Falls. This ride we got the 2 for again. I think it's 3 of them. It's just off of the 3 different rides. But I'll let y'all know how it looks when we get up to the top. I think it's 4 different ones. I think it's 4 different ones that are switching to. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, 4 different ones that are switching to. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Whoa! Whoa! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! I got you! Oh shoot! I got you! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! That was backwards the whole time, and on top of that we was in the dark the whole time. That was fire, but that was crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, y'all, we going down the Raging Rivers Rapids. Let's go ahead and go up. This is the tube ride, that's the ride right there. I'm gonna let y'all know how it goes. This ride looks chill though, I'm not gonna lie, it looks chill. Oh shoot! Whoa! He's a tug. He's a tug. Whoa! He's so bad, but I think he's so down. This ride's kind of long. Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Oh yeah, yeah, he's that. Oh yeah, he's that guy. Look, I'm ready to go. He's that guy. Look at all guys. Oh, you're that guy. And me, you know who was on the ride. Whoa! I thought that ride was gonna be like a kiddie ride, but that ride wasn't too bad. We're gonna go ahead and see what other rides we haven't went on. We did all the rides over here on this side. We did those rides over there and that ride over there. So now we about to go see what rides we didn't do and go ahead and do them on this side of the wave pool. We got Dippin' Dots, Dippin' Dots. Okay, how do you like your Dippin' Dots?
Good. I got the rainbow.
Okay, how you like your Dippin' Dots?
Good. I'm using my stuff. Oh god. Alright guys, I'm finna go on the same ride. Stay tuned. This ride right here, stay tuned. Right.
Just got off the ride. It was called Firefighter Tower, I believe, something like that. That ride was pretty fun, I'm not gonna lie. It dropped me straight down. Had my eyes closed the whole time, not even gonna lie. But we're gonna see if we missed the ride. Because I'm not gonna lie, this park is like really big. It's kind of confusing. But we're gonna look at the map real quick and we're gonna see if we missed any rides.
Finished all the rides, y'all. Especially that last one that we got recorded on. That was excellent.
Yeah, that one was excellent. We just finished all the rides though. We looked at the map, made sure that we finished all the rides, and now we are going home. All right, y'all, we leaving out of Dollywood water park. Y'all already know what's up. We had a blast. It was an excellent time. We rode all the rides.
At Dollywood Splashwood.
Yep, y'all already know what's up. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Remember guys, don't be exclusive, be exclusive.